guys, welcome back to my channel. So now we're just going to be using our new Badescu lavender spray. It's a lavender and chamomile. So now we're going to be using our Shisedo Pureness Matifying Moisturizer, and we're just going to rub that all over our face. So now we're just going to be getting our Tarte Shapetape concealer, and we're just going to carve underneath our eyebrows. I like to do this step before I do my foundation just because I don't like putting my eyebrows on before my foundation, just because I feel like after I put my foundation on, it erases my eyebrows. It sounds horrible, but I like to do that first. I'm just gonna blend that all the way down. And now we're gonna use our Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette. You guys, this palette is beautiful. And we're gonna go in with the color Bear. And we're just going to take a Morphe blending brush. I'm going to list all the products down below in order so you guys know which ones I used. I'm just going to blend that all the way into our crease as our transition shade. So now we're going in with the shade Define Me, and we're just going to put that all into our inner crease area and just blend it all the way through. And you guys, I just want to take this time to thank everybody who's followed me recently. You guys are awesome, and all the sweet comments. Welcome to my channel. You guys are amazing. And also too, like, you guys, I'm gonna get way better at these voiceovers. It's just right now I'm barely starting out, you know, so just be patient with me. So yeah, we're just gonna blend that on both sides, blend it all the way through. And we're just using a larger Morphe blender brush. Make sure all those colors blend nicely. And now we're using our Makeup Revolution. It's like a highlighting brick. We're gonna use that top shade up there. Just gonna use a little e.l.f. flat brush, the concealer brush, to just highlight. And now we're going to be using the color Vivid, and we're just going to be putting that all into our inner crease as well, over that other Define Me color. And like I said, we're going to blend that all the way through to the inner tear ducts. I know this part takes forever, but this is like the most important part because this is nothing but blending. That's why this part of the video is always long. I feel like my other videos, I feel like I didn't show you guys exactly what I did to get that look. Like, I would just show you, oh, this color, that color, and then blend it for like 5 seconds. But you guys can always feel free to let me know which one you guys like better. Do you like voiceovers? Do you not like voiceovers? Just let me know. So now we're going in with the color Create. And we're going to put that all over our lid. This brush is a Mikasa brush. And I've really been loving this brush. I use it to pack on all my colors, even my pigments, and it works really good. So we're kind of just creating like a pink smoky eye. And then I just don't blend past my crease. My camera's out of focus. Get it together, girl. Get it together. And at this point I packed on a whole bunch of pink there. Now we're going in with the color Passion. We're just going to take that with a little Morphe crease brush. We're just going to put that into our inner crease to just define the whole look and blend the Create color together. Again, this is a Morphe brush. And then I'm just going to take the other brush that I used to blend everything together. And now we're taking the color Forever, and again we're putting it over that Passion color with the same Morphe brush, and again we're just defining this crease. And we're just going to blend that all together. Make sure there's no harsh lines. And I didn't show in this color, but I just grabbed that orange color, the vivid color again, just to make sure those colors blended nicely. And this we're just doing the same thing to the other side. And I don't know if you guys could tell, but I have better lighting. My husband bought me the ring light for Christmas and I love it. It's a little bright, but it's better than what I had before. And again, I'm just reapplying that pink shade. I felt like it kind of dulled out a little. Now we're using our Makeup Forever mattifying primer because your girl is oily as heck. I'm gonna put that on my nose where I get the most oily. Now we're going in with a smoothing primer. Now we're getting our dip brow from Anastasia. Mine is in the shade dark brown. And we're just carving out our brows. I usually don't include this in my videos just because it's like pretty basic, you know? Nothing too fancy about my eyebrows. And now we're getting our Makeup Forever foundation. And And I know I said in the beginning of this video that I don't like to put on my eyebrows before my foundation. I just forgot about it right here. So hopefully it doesn't take off my eyebrows. So now we're going in with the new Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. Mine is in the color Light Warm, I believe. This foundation, this concealer is pretty good for the most part. It's more lightweight than the Shapetape, which is pretty good, but I just feel like on this concealer it creases me a little bit. Now we're gonna bake that with our RCMA translucent powder. Again, I've been loving this Morphe sponge. Now we're getting our Too Faced chocolate bronzer with the Mikasa brush. Again, my favorite. Just carving out the cheeks. So now, oh my god you guys, this is so pretty. It's the Stila, the glitter shimmers, and it's the color Into the Blue. And I'm just gonna use this as an eyeliner. One of my friends sent me this look. It's like an inspiration. I don't really know who the person is that did the look, but if I do find out who it is, I'll tag it down in the description down below. So we're getting the color Indigo, and we're just gonna put that all underneath our waterline. Or our bottom lash line, I guess you can say, with the Morphe flat brush. I love this brush. I really wanted to bring out the blues in that Stila glitter shimmer. I'm just going to get that vivid color again with a smaller pencil brush from Morphe. I'm going to smoke out our bottom lash line. Obviously, we're curling our lashes. So now we're going to conceal our nose and our forehead. I'm really loving this look. Just gonna wipe off that excess powder. And we're gonna set our face again. And I didn't show in this clip, but I am using that Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick again. I think the shade is called Radiant. We're just gonna throw on some Monsieur Big mascara from Lancome. And this completes the look, guys. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.